Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable mute feed by default on Twitch. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The live feed will autoplay on mute by default when you open the app. You can adjust the volume using the mute button directly on the feed or more control as you scroll. You can also change your mute and autoplay preference in your app setting under preferences. So how? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. As you can see in here, the feed will be automatically disabled. As you can see on the icon in here for the speakers on the mute icon. We can go to your profile, tap on the account settings, tap on preferences, and you'll find there is an option mute by default. By default, it's enabled. You can disable this feature by tap on the toggle in here. So now, anytime you open the Twitch, the audio will be play automatically. It's so simple, right? So that is auto how to disable mute by default on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.